Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has finally said that the new Start menu is widely available. So this is the new Start menu that you see here with the possibility to view categories such as kind of folders and grid and so on. And now everything is there's not a lot of empty space. There is here, but it's not like it used to be. You have a permanent list if you want, and so on. With, of course, the phone panel if you have phone link, if you use the phone link, and all of that. It's widely available. Now they say Microsoft does say that if you still don't see it, but would like to move on to the new Start menu, you have to go to your settings. And in your settings, you will go to Windows Update, and you will turn on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Little switch. That, once you put it on, restart your PC, you should be seeing the new Start menu within a few hours, if not immediately. So that is the Start menu 2.0. After almost 5 years. That's kind of a long time to revamp the Start menu, but it's something that's now available here. You can hide your mobile device if you want with this icon here, and of course there's all the Start menu options. You can right click anywhere in the Start menu, go to the Start settings. And the Start settings, you will have all the different options that you can turn on or off with the Start menu panel. So, yep, it's available for everybody apparently, just if you toggle that little Get the latest update switch right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.